Hi everyone, welcome to Tangle 4. So far we did all of these green ones and the top 4 of these purples. So in this episode we're going to install and set up GitHub and get a head start on the red ones with Docker. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new account in GitHub. And big fractal tangle.gmail.com, and this is festive. And there's Octocat. All right, so the repository is going to be Tangle. And sure, I'll make it public. Create a new repository. And there you can see big fractal Tangle. Obviously, the usual profile stuff like this. Let's call this big fractal. I don't have a public email yet. Bio. All right, I was going to leave all this done, but I do want this. This is 5 megs. That's what a pain in the ass. All right, so let's just do, I'll take this, looks good. Make it a square and crop it and then save. Okay, so what I really want to do is set up two-factor authentication for my GitHub account, which is actually really important. So let's look at password and authentication. All right, so what I need to do is click here and then do scan QR code, and it worked. So it was smart enough to actually come up with all of this and put it into one password. So let's do 617317. Down your recovery codes. Okay, so you download this, and I'm going to put this. All right, I'll put that somewhere else. And we have some festive stuff here. Yay. Done. And now I can put this on the bookmark bar. And now what's the really nice thing about this is if I log out and then I sign in by having the one-time password stuff in one password, if I click sign in and then I just choose from my list, it's actually going to fill in the authentication code automatically, which is, and brings me right here to the repository. Okay. Another account that we want to make is a Docker account. Now this is not strictly necessary because we'll be using AWS for our repository, but it's good to have one nonetheless. So I'm going to get started and download for Mac, install the Docker app. run it. All right, so now I want to create an account. So I can click sign in, and it says don't have an account, sign up. Back to email. Big fractal. And then sign in. And this is going to start whenever you restart your computer. You can change the settings in here. And so you have to start Docker Desktop when you log in. Apply and restart. So that's it for this episode. In the next one, I'm going to do the rest of the red ones here, which is setting up and installing AWS tools. Thanks for listening.